Good morning, children. Hope you are all well. Now is the time for GK class, and today's date is 17/12/21, and our topic is chapter number 22, Railway Station. Children, have you ever go to a railway station? Do you know what is railway station? Railway station is the place where trains arrive and departure for different places. We can see lots of people are there. They are very crowd. Okay, people come and go to different places. So today we will learn about railway station. Now take out page number 29. There are some pictures. You see, today we will learn about them and learn their name. This is bench. Okay, this is bench. We call it bench. This is loudspeaker. This is called loudspeaker. Okay, this is loudspeaker. This is clock. This is clock. Clock tell us time. This man is a ticket checker. He checked the tickets. Okay, he checks the ticket. This is ticket checker. This is passenger. Passenger. This is passenger. This is packets. This is called packets. These are called packets. This is loader. This is loader. And this is lineman. This is lineman. He shows the flag to the train for he shows the green signal to the train. Okay, lineman. He is called lineman. Say once again with me. This is lineman. He shows the green flag. It means all lines are clear. Train can move. This is train. This is clock. This is loudspeaker. With the help of this, we hear announcement. The train is coming. This is ticket checker. This is passenger. These are parcels. Okay. And this is bench. We used to sit here waiting for train. We used to sit here. Sit in the bench waiting for train. And this is clock. Clock tell us time. And this is loudspeaker. Here we hear the announcement that trains is coming. And this is ticket checker. He used to check our tickets. These are parcel. These are loader. He help us to carry our load. This person help us to carry our load. Okay, children. I hope you have remembered all these names. Okay. You should learn these names and identify pictures and learn their name. Okay, children. Up to this. No more for today. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye, children. Have a nice day.